For MBBS admissions, state and the central level counseling, all notifications started coming. You must be knowing many states registration process has already over. In this video, I'll give you the all updates about different states process, where all the states are standing. So you'll be getting an overall idea what is the counseling dates of different states and what is the present status of different states. If I start from Kerala registration process has already over. Now they have given link for updating the NEET score. The last date is 21st of July. Within that, you have to update the NEET score. Karnataka registration process is over. Choice filling for Karnataka option entry process will start very soon. Dental seat matrix has come. MBBS seat matrix yet to come. So when it will come, then the option entry will start. Next is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu registration process has already over. They have published the list of the students who all are ineligible in the counseling. So if you are registered in Tamil Nadu, please check that list whether your name is there or not. If your name is there, then you have to do the corrective actions for that. Next is Pondicherry. Pondicherry registration process has already over. You have to wait for the next process like choice filling and all. Telangana State Competent Authority Government Quota registration process has already started. Management Quota process has not started. Andhra Pradesh process has not started for both Competent Authority and the Management Quota. Maharashtra State Counseling process has not started yet. Gujarat process has already started. Coming to other state like Uttar Pradesh registration process is going to start from today. I'll show you the notifications. Many other states also registration process is going to start. I'll now show you the notifications for different states. First, I will show you today which notification has come, that is Madhya Pradesh. See, Madhya Pradesh is a partially domiciled state, so other state students may not get that benefit in Madhya Pradesh state counseling for MBBS admission. 21st of July, the process will start. Last date is 29th of July. So you can refer this notice for that. Choice filling process will start from 31st of July. Next is Assam. Assam state, there is no private college, only government college. The students who are a domicile of Assam, they should participate. The registration process will start from 24th till 29th is the registration. After that, the choice filling process will start. Next is Punjab. Baba Farid University registration process is going on. Punjab is also a partially domiciled state. Apart from CMC Ludhiana open category seat or CMC Ludhiana open category seat, any student from any part of India, they can participate and they can take the seat based on the NEET rank. So Punjab last date is it is 24th July is the last date for Punjab. And what I was telling you about, most importantly, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh registration process is going to start from today, that is 18th of July. Last date is 28th of July. They have given sufficient time, 10 days. But one thing I want to tell you, don't make anything on 28th of July, because most of the cases, the student, if they feel that 28th of July they will do anything, ideally it is not 28th of July, it is 27th of July. Why it is? Because if you see, 28th of July 11 AM is the last time for registration. It is not like 6 PM on the evening. Most of the cases it will be evening time, but in Uttar Pradesh the different it is, that it will close at 11 AM. So ideally you have to consider it 27th of July is the Uttar Pradesh. Next, other states notifications also will come. Jharkhand notifications has also come. Jharkhand registration process is also going on. Registration process has already started. Many other state registration process yet to come. Now the question is, all the states, they are opening for the registration. Whether the student should participate and do the registrations in all the states, or how the student will make the strategy for that. First, you have to understand which all states you are eligible to participate in the counseling. That is the first thing what you should know. Once you got to know that you are eligible to participate or you are ready, you can take the seats in that particular state, then you have to analyze what is your possibility of getting the seat in those states. Why? Because unnecessary you should not participate. Most of the state they will be having the security amount for the registrations. So you should know whether you should participate in those states counseling based on your possibility. If you feel the possibility is there, then you have to understand the fee structure of that college where you have the possibility. If you feel that fee structure what the college is having, it is okay for you, you are okay with that fees, then only after that only you should participate in the state counseling. And which college you may get based on your rank, that is also important, because in a particular state not necessarily all the colleges will be having the good standard. So you should also analyze the which college you can get according to your rank, and based on that you will be participating in the counseling. In counseling process, registration is there, documentation, payment part is there. After that, choice filling will be there, allotment will be there. So many other processes there. What I want to say here, all notifications will come, but you have to make your strategy accordingly. You should know about the college. Many colleges are having the different kind of complications in the time of admission, like bank guarantee is there. Some of the colleges verifications, some different documents are there. So you have to be careful about all these things for taking the admissions. If you have any query, you can leave your query in the comment sections of the video. Thank you so much.